This condition might be weird.
Let's go upstairs now.
A pack of gum and a paper clip. Oh my god, that is the
Hey,
best.
kids, do you want a coffee drink of some kind?
Coffee.
I want coffee.
You have
Did you
cappuccino?
order one yesterday?
Yeah. Sure.
I'd say bird in the hand with two in the bush. Some gecko.
What's this
I'm
one?
gonna take a tea coffee.
Yeah, I'll give that a no.
No, what kind is it?
Coffee.
Like a frappuccino or a latte or something.
Get me a mocha frap.
Yeah,
Do it.
Give me some good.
I'm gonna order it for you.
I want coffee.
We're doing a coffee run. Josh is making them.
Do you have, like,
I want coffee.
something good?
Yeah. No.
I'll have just plain coffee upstairs. It's how they do. They're not just the cows are not something. That's gross.
Like a frog.
Like your
Mocha frap. Mocha frap. Mocha frap.
Crap.
Yeah, he does.
Okay.
Thanks. I'm Adam.
Let's go